Once Akbar and Birbal set out on a hunting expedition. As Akbar unsheathed his sword, a mishap occurred. He accidentally cut his thumb and fear overcame him. He cried out, "Soldiers, quickly fetch Ved and bring him. Look at my thumb. See the state I'm in." Birbal, however, emerged from the scene, chuckling. He reassured the distressed king, "Your Majesty, relax. Remember, whatever happens, happens for the good." A perplexed Akbar responded, "Birbal, have you lost your mind? How can you say such a thing? I thought of you as my own, and you're talking nonsense. Take Birbal away, soldiers. Before attending to the doctor, hang him upside down." Birbal was taken away to be flogged through the night, with plans for his morning hanging. Meanwhile, Akbar embarked on his solitary hunting journey. However, fate took a turn when some tribal people captured Akbar and suspended him upside down. The tribal dance began, but as one tribal inspected him and saw the blood on his thumb, he exclaimed, "He is impure. We can't sacrifice him. Please let him go." He left from there and crying for Birbal on the way. Morning broke, and Akbar realized Birbal might have met his grim fate. He screamed out, "Birbal, Birbal," as he raced back to his camp. When he arrived, he found Birbal on the brink of hanging, the noose already set. Overwhelmed with guilt, Akbar clutched Birbal's feet and implored, "Birbal, forgive me, you were right. Whatever happens, happens for the good. Thanks to you, I'm alive. Look at me, I've put you in such a dire situation." In a weak voice, Birbal replied, "No, Your Majesty, whatever happens, happens for the good." Akbar, utterly baffled, exclaimed, "Are you out of your mind? What are you saying? What's good about this?" Birbal responded, "Your Majesty, the good is that if I had accompanied you, they would have sacrificed me." The story teaches us to maintain a positive outlook even in challenging situations. Having a positive attitude, like Birbal, can help us find the good in unexpected events. Sometimes things don't go as planned. It's important to accept unforeseen outcomes and be adaptable, as they may lead to better results or save us from trouble, as in Akbar's case. Before making judgments or decisions, it's wise to think about the potential consequences. Birbal's humorous remark had a hidden truth that ultimately saved him, demonstrating the importance of careful consideration.
If you enjoyed this story and want more tales that teach valuable life lessons while improving your English, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts here at English Fable Hub. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep enjoying the magic of storytelling with us. Thanks for watching.